What are the prerequisites required to upload invoice data in Fusion? We need to complete enterprise structure like enterprise name, then primary ledger, then legal entity, important business unit, functions, assignments. These are all key setups required, enterprise level, even inventory organization, right? Then GL, we required chart of account structure instance level, allow dynamic should enable to create a combination while uploading. Setup space. Then we required calendar, currency, ledger creation, ledger option mandate. AP module, we required common options for payables procurement. We required invoice options. We required payment options. We required a reference data set, I can say RDS. We required payment terms, mandatory, because client provided immediate payment terms, net 30, net 45, net 60. Then pay groups, yesterday we discussed. Payment method, it's mandatory. Then process wise, GL period should open. Then AP period should open. Okay. So while migrating the AP invoice data, client may ask different options. I want to upload PO based invoices unpaid, two-way match. I want to see three-way matching based invoices, PO, GR and invoice. So procurement team will create POs, GRNs, then we'll match to the invoices through. Okay, we will mention those details in the BDI, we can upload. If it is non-PO based invoices, happily you can upload a BDI template. AP period should open. So these are all very, very important to be uploaded. Then, before upload transaction data, as we discussed, we need the master data. We can call AP procurement. We need supplier data profile, supplier address, supplier site, site assignment. Site assignment level, you need to have the procurement BU. Address level, site level, you must enable pay site checkbox to upload the invoices. You uploaded the master data. Without pay site, system will not allow to create any data migration activities for transaction like prepayments and unpaid invoices. So these are all prerequisites which we need to understand. If you are uploading multi-currency invoices, that is another example. You need to have the conversion rates. You need to enable foreign currency code, upload it based on the client requirement. You need to upload. If you are uploading the multi-currency based invoices, you need to remember realized gain and loss accounts. Conversion rate gain and loss account should be assigned at common options level. Otherwise, after go live, if you are trying to create between invoice and payment, your realized gain and loss accounts will be stopped. So these are all precautions which we need to take very, very careful. That is the reason I told you yesterday we created a vendor master data before uploading invoices data. You have to create a minimum one invoice, sample invoice, test invoice for same vendor which you uploaded. Then you can feel what are the fields required, what are the like information required, you can understand. Let me try. Yesterday we uploaded, okay. What is the vendor name?
Mahindra.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Mahindra. So I uploaded Mahindra. I can see Mahindra. I can see vendor number, location. Let me take 09 November 24. Then invoice number, you can test MM00. But I'm doing just testing. Let us take 50,000. So while uploading the invoice also, you have to remember BU name, supplier name, site name. You want to give invoice group name. If you enabled invoice group name at invoice options level mandatory, you need to give the FB date template. Then invoice number mandatory, amount mandatory, standard. You want to give the description. Then you can mention data migration word. Then as I mentioned, payment terms. Let me take net 30. Immediate payment terms invoices we may not migrate because same day they will make from the legacy. Then go to show more. Check the GL period open combination, which GL account you want to upload. If you have any DFF, you can input the DFF field based on the mandatory or optional. Then go to lines. Then lines level GL date, go to distribution. Just enter. If you tested properly before data migration, 1 record, 2 record, you can enter accurate data, or you can do the best verification before. So system will allowing to upload invoice. System is allowing to enter the invoice for data migration, which is migrated. Correct? So, but I'm not keeping it. So I will be just keeping deleted. It will allow in the front end data entry, it should allow by FB date template. That is the way you need to understand, upload the data.